In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update dates in a project sheet in Smartsheet using the built-in date picker. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and then open your project sheet. This will usually look like a grid with rows for tasks and columns for things like task name, owner, start date, and due date. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct sheet since many teams have multiple similar project sheets. Once your sheet is open, locate the date column you want to change. In our example, we're going to update a specific task's date. Move your mouse to the cell that contains the date you want to modify. You'll see that when you hover over the cell, it becomes active, and when you click it, the cell is highlighted and ready for editing. After you click the cell, a small calendar icon should appear on the right side of the cell. This is the date picker. Click that icon to open the calendar. If you don't see the icon at first, try clicking once more directly on the date text inside the cell. Sometimes Smartsheet needs a clear selection before showing the calendar. With the calendar open, you'll see the current month with individual days laid out. In our case, we're changing the date to April 26, 2018. Navigate through the calendar using the arrows at the top until you see April 2018 displayed. Take your time here and double-check the month and year, especially if your projects run across several months or years. Once you're on the correct month, find the 26th on the calendar. Hover over that date, then click it to select it. As soon as you click, the calendar will close automatically, and the cell in your sheet will update to show April 26, 2018. You've now successfully changed the date for that task. If you need to adjust another date for the same task or a related one, repeat this exact process. Click the date cell to highlight it, click the calendar icon, navigate to the correct month if necessary, and then select the new date. This consistency is helpful when you're updating multiple tasks after a schedule change. After you've made your updates, quickly scan your sheet to confirm that the dates look right and align with your project timeline. Smartsheet will save changes automatically, but it's always good practice to verify your edits before moving on.